On the last trading session of Friday, gold spot printed a closing price little above $1,848 per ounce. The number is rounded and the market is closed. And on the last trading week, gold traded uh, as low as $1,831 per ounce and as high as $1,875 per ounce. Numbers are rounded and the market is closed. Gold is trading below its all-day simple moving averages, what we call it technically a correction. The RSI readings are moderate on the daily chart and the weekly chart and the monthly chart, and the supports are seen at 1820. If broken, then 1800, which I think it will not break, then 1764. The resistance levels, it's at 1878 and 1900 and then 1950. That's all. I'm moving out to the calendar. On the economic calendar for the coming week and from the United States, we are waiting for the following economic headers to be released. The ISM manufacturing PMI on Monday, and on Wednesday we're waiting for the ADP non-farm employment change, and on a Friday we're waiting for the non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate. That's all. Move on now to the trading strategy. Hi again. It was actually an interesting week last week. We have seen the Fed keeping the interest rates unchanged, and gold actually did not show any reaction to this news. Also, we have seen the dollar rising and the US equities bleeding, which looks like as a start of a correction. This is what we are going to know in the coming week. And the most interesting thing we have seen on the last week, it was the trade of the GameStop stock, when the retail traders managed for maybe the first time in the history to squeeze the hedge funds out of the trade, out of their short positions. And this is I'm bringing this because it has something to do with our analysis for gold and silver. There is something like interesting happening on the charts of gold and silver. Now, technically, gold is in a correction and it's trading below its all-day simple moving averages. The interesting part is that silver is maintaining an upward momentum and it's trading above its all-day simple moving averages, and this is rarely happens. What we have here also something that you have to put in your mind, that silver is it's not one of the, it's the most shorted market in the history of short selling. So if we will consider that the same group that whom hyped the price of GameStop, they are doing this on silver. It's there. They are working in it. If they are attempting to squeeze the hedge funds out of this market, this is could create an opportunity for trading. Two opportunities actually. The first one is that you buy silver nearby 26 with a stop loss at 24 with a target for 29. And then if this market, if silver at any moment, at any day could close above 30, this is the signal that silver is going to do a parabolic move toward $39, because that's the moment when the short selling the positions will be squeezed out from the market, and it could create this parabolic move that I'm talking about. That's all for this week. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the coming week in another video.